42 students were eligible, but only 1,48,687 students were registered. So the question arises is that why 20,000 students application has been rejected is the question, sir. Sir, which needs to be answered. ST welfare, sir, 2013 and 14, 82,069 eligible and registered were 73,319, sir. Sir, BC welfare 4,72,206 eligible and registered are 4,29,981. Disabled welfare 234 eligible, 209 registered. EBC 70,810 and registered is 793, sir. Sir, minority welfare, sir, 2013 and 14 eligible were 65,461 and the registered were 58. So the question arises, why 10,000 minority students? And we have to see the total, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, total में जब जाते हैं तो total eligible candidates were 8,56,422 and the registered are 7,78,916. So almost 1 lakh students have been rejected. So the question arises, why have they rejected? When we see 2013 and 14, these are the figures, sir. And Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to bring through you to kind attention to the Honorable Chief Minister Saab is that on the website this report is there. In 2015 and 16, the shocking figures are 45,895 are eligible in SCs and registered is on 0, sir. Registered is 0. ST welfare 28,401, registered is only 1, sir.
What was the number registered and what was the 0? Can you repeat that? Sir, which year, which course?
That's what I'm doing, sir. Sir, 2013 and 14 I had given the details, sir. Now I'm giving the details of 2015 and 16, sir. And this information, this report is there on the website, sir. Sir, course details, I don't have that detail, sir. But all the courses are there. All the courses are there. All the SC students, like before they have applied. If you want, I'll go back and I'll get the information, that information also, sir. So the question is that when 45,895 students were found eligible, why zero students have been registered in SC? In ST department, 28,401 were eligible and only 1 student was registered. BC welfare, 1,23,340 are eligible and registered is only 6. Sir, again, disabled, 16 eligible and registered is 0. EBC, 12,528 registered, eligible, and registered are 0. Yeah, website pays up. That is why I said, before giving this information, sir, I said, we need to check what is this. When we are giving a demand in the budget and allocating the amount according to this requirement, and the website gives this information. ये जो आपका ई-पास का जो वेबसाइट है ना साहब, उस पे मिला सो डिटेल है. Sir, and these are the latest figures, sir. Sir, minorities, sir, 12,295 are eligible and registered are again 0. And the total eligible for the year 2015 and 16 is 2,22,475 and registered is only 7. So where are we going wrong is the question. Sir, where are we going wrong? Because this is not my information. This is not my information, sir. Sir, again, if we have to go to 2016 and 17 also, again the same disparity continues. The eligibility and the registry. The total eligible candidates for the year 2016 and 17 are 9,02,898. Registered candidates are 7,70,953. तो वही नहीं साहब, मैं ये हर एक साल का दे रहा हूं मैं.
अकबर साहब, ऐसा है, आप रजिस्टर्ड इतने हैं देखे तो 0 है बोल रहे, फिर यहाँ 7 लाख बोल रहे, वो आपका फिगर कुछ मैच नहीं कर रहा. तो यानी कि ये पूरे अपडेटेड नहीं है।
आप नहीं सुने साहब, आप नहीं सुने। आप मैं 2016 एंड 17 की बात कर रहा साहब। इससे पहले जो मैं तफसील दिया 2015 एंड 16 की है, ये 2016 एंड 17 की बात कर रहा हूं। हाँ साहब जारी है, उसके बावजूद ये दिया जा रहा है। मैं यही बताना चाह रहा हूं आपको, मैं यही बताना चाह रहा हूं आपको कि जारी रहने के बाद भी ये तफसीलात है, तो वेबसाइट पे से गलत तफसीलात कैसे दे सकते हैं? और हो चुका है इसका। अब जो आएगा साहब 2017 एंड 18 बोल के स्टार्ट होगा उसके बाद में। तो ये तफसीलात मैं जानना चाह रहा हूं कि इसके डिटेल्स हुकूमत दे। और सर मैं आपको यह भी पूछना चाह रहा हूं sir, I had also pointed out that after colleges get registered. This is a very important issue, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to know, I had also pointed out that after colleges get registered with the e-pass, they have to get a confirmation. But the registered colleges are not getting confirmation, which entitle the students enrolled within to get MTF and RTF. Sir, I would like to explain in this. Sir, every college is supposed to register themselves with the e-pass. And after registration, confirmation is received. And the scholarship comes to only those colleges who have registered and the registration has been confirmed. The students are allotted by the competent authority to this college, that college, 4 colleges, 10 colleges. Sir, what happens is that after registration, the college is not confirmed. So what is the fate of the student studying there? What is the fate? They say that this college is not confirmed, your fees will not come. Then after the inspection, the affiliation of that college has been taken away. That college is blacklisted. What about the future of the students studying in that college? When that college is blacklisted, the fees is not coming by the government and the student is suffering. Sir, why should a student suffer because of the college management? Why should the student suffer? He is studying there. He is studying there. Whatever action needs to be taken, take against the management. Put them behind the bars. But the students are suffering in that. So this is, sir, what are the norms? I would like to know. Sir, I would like to know what are the norms for registration and confirmation of the colleges under e-pass. This is very important. Nobody knows what are the norms. Sir, again, will the government start a helpline for the students whose MTF, RTF arrears are to be paid? Sir, I had recalled that Chief Minister had promised in the August House that the pre-matric and post-matric scholarship scheme for the state would be revived for minority students. The student of the scholarship would be raised to rupees 5,000 per student. GO has been issued in this regard, but the Minority Welfare Department has not revised the state pre-matric scholarship. Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister Sahab rose and he said, Akbar Sahab, GO de diye, SC, STs के बराबर minorities को देंगे. साहब मेरी बात को सुनिए, आपको गुमराह कर रहे हैं ये लोग. जो GO इशू किया गया है, ये GO सिर्फ BCE मुस्लिम्स के लिए इशू किया गया है. हमारा डिमांड और आपका वादा था कि सारे मुसलमानों को विल बी ट्रीटेड ऑन पार विद SCs एंड STs. तो ये मैं आपसे मुतालबा कर रहा हूं कि सारे मुसलमानों को आप SC, STs के बराबर करिए. आज वो नहीं हो रहा GO आने के बाद भी. मुसलमानों